Hello everyone, this is CEO 100 April. As a follow-up to my previous video about this American Thomas & Friends 2 DVD set, The Greatest Stories, I'd like to let you know that I managed to get another copy of it for free as part of a buy two get one free sale on eBay, and hoping that this one would have the Sodor Activity Depot bonus feature. I believe the second disc does have that bonus feature this time, unlike my previous copy of it, so let's go ahead and find out. Alright, disc 2 has been inserted. It should take a few seconds to load. Select to choose what happens with enhanced DVD movies. Open folder to view files. And we have the bonus DVD-ROM content I was hoping for this time. Fantastic! So, it turns out my previous copy of this 2 DVD set was a factory error. Release. The dates for the folders audio_TS and video_TS read April 2010. On this other copy, the date reads June 16th, 2010 for the audio_TS, video_TS, and wallpaper folders. So let's have a look at the Sodor Activity Depot software. Adobe Flash Player 9.0, better use that.
Hello there! You made it right on time to the Sodor Activity Depot. Here you can put yourself into a Thomas & Friends story, print out coloring pages, and download wallpapers for your computer desktop. Also, be sure to ride the rails to our website at www.thomasandfriends.com for even more fun games, activities, and news on upcoming Thomas events.
That was a cool introduction. This reminds me of children's early learning PC games and Microsoft Interactive CD sampler programs from the early days of Microsoft computer operating systems and products, plus the Microsoft Plus Enhancement Pack products for Windows 95, Windows 98, and Windows XP. So let's look at these sections.
Have you ever wondered what it would be like to join me and my engines here on Sodor?
And now for the wallpapers. Decorate your desktop with a Thomas wallpaper. So here's a wallpaper with Thomas the Tank Engine himself in front of a blue background. And this one has several characters inside stars. And this last one features a map of the island of Sodor. By download, they mean exporting the wallpapers to your desktop PC or Mac of these 3 sizes. And for sale on my eBay profile as a very rare factory error item, but keep its very rare slipcover and its insert for the advertisements. Well, that'll be it for this excellent video. The mystery has been solved. I hope you all enjoyed it. Goodbye everybody, and that's about it.